Good day everyone, you're watching RayTube Fixes. On this video, I'm going to talk about how to change the mouse size and the color in Windows 10. Now, this is the new feature which has been implemented in Windows 1903. Main criteria to have this feature enabled is that you have to make sure that you have Windows 1903 or the higher version. Now, let me walk you through quick steps on how to check if you have the latest version of Windows, that is 1903 or a higher version. All you have to do is you will have to do a right click on this Windows icon, click on settings. Under settings, you will have to go to system. Under system, you will have to scroll down and go to about section. Under about section, under Windows specification, you will see 1903. So in case if you have this version 1903 or higher, you will be able to use this feature. In case if your Windows is lower than 1903, then go back to home, go to update and security and check for the updates, install the latest updates. You should be able to go back and update your Windows to the latest version. Now let's go back to how to change the mouse color. All you have to do is you will have to do a right click and go to settings. Under settings, you will have to go to ease of access. Under ease of access, you will have to go to cursor and pointer, and here now by default 1 is the default. In case if you want to increase the size, you can increase up to 15, so I will keep it as 5. Or and here you can also change the point color. You can have all these three colors. If you want to customize the color, you can go ahead and select the customize color of your choice. And if you want to pick the custom point color, you have 4 spectrums here. You can select any spectrum of your choice, click on done, and that should be it. So this is the way you can go ahead and change the mouse pointer size and mouse pointer color on your Windows 10 1903 or the higher version. At now this hope you like this video. In case if you like this video, please make sure to hit the like button and do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. You have a great day.